Ever felt like diving into crypto but think, how am I supposed to do this with my full-time job? Maybe you're asking yourself, should I quit my 9 to 5 and go all in on crypto? I get it. I've been there too. So today I'm pulling back the curtain and giving you the inside scoop on how I manage my 9 to 5 with my crypto journey and how you too can do that. Now, this is not something I just stumbled upon overnight. Let me tell you how my journey actually began. Have you ever trusted the wrong person and learned the hard way? When I first dipped my toes into crypto, I had no clue about it. The experience wasn't good at all. It happened that I came across this website called Commerce Trade. That was in 2019. The website promised over 100% return of investment within a month. So I hit up my very good friend and we invested in the site. That was about $200. After the first month, I removed the capital. I didn't know what told me to do that, but I'm glad I did. And I continued with the interest. I grew it to about $1,500 with the hope of getting it to $2,000. Then withdraw half of it, share it with my friend, and continue reinvesting the other part of it. But that didn't happen. The site closed up at 1,500 profit and made away with a lot of people's money. But I was glad somehow because I removed the initial capital. So I was reinvesting the profits. I've placed a lot of goals and a lot of dreams around those money. I was thinking, buying houses, buying cars. I was thinking of a lot of things I would do with the money because on my mind was remove the 1,000 from 2,000, keep reinvesting the 1,000, grow it to 10,000, remove 5,000 from it, reinvest again to 20,000. That was all my mind could think of. So when that happened, I was devastated. All the dreams and imagination I thought I could achieve with that investment all came crushing before me. But then, what if every setback is a stepping stone for something greater? At that moment, I still had a glimpse of hope. Then I asked myself, if these people can scam people using this idea, that means there's a positive source to that idea. Just like God and Satan, everything that have a good side also have a bad side. And if they can scam people using return of investment scheme, then it means that there is a legit return of investment scheme out there. Or maybe it's not a scheme, but an approach that is legal and legit. I thought of that and I decided never to invest in any form of site again. Rather, I'll learn and do it on my own. So from then I started making research, learning about trading forex and then crypto. But during the 2020-2021 bull run, I didn't invest any penny. I knew about Dogecoin, I knew about Shiba Inu, I know about Flockinu, but I don't have any of this because I just got admission into the university that same year. So I left everything and went for school. Then later on in 2023, I had to make a decision whether to continue with school or go all in on crypto. I even had to write down the advantages of going to school and the disadvantages of not, and that of crypto as well. And from my research, I learned about the 4-year cycle of crypto market and how crypto stood against all the traditional approach to finance, plus the fact that it is an emerging technology that is not yet circulated. And many people were still skeptical about it, which gave me the feeling that I'm still early. And you know the saying, if everybody is going right, go left. So that 2023 was still a bear market, which was the right time to learn and get in. I never told my parents because I already know what the answers would be. I wanted to take full responsibility of my decision and action. So I quit school, got a job, and started buying courses, learning about crypto gradually. At that time, I also needed to change my mindset. So I was buying books like Psychology of Money, Think and Grow Rich, As a Man Thinketh, and all that, just to shift my mind from what it knew to something else. Because I learned that if you want to become a millionaire, you first need to become a millionaire in here so that you can attract that millionaire physically. I also read books like Trading in the Zone, and then I was also learning how to trade, forex and crypto. I was combining it just to learn the technical analysis very, very well and investing the little I can. Now, here is where the journey started making sense. When I found the tools and habits that made it easier for me. Here's what my typical day looks like. Morning is the key. I get up a bit earlier than usual, check the news, look at the key charts and the key levels. If I'm trading, I'll set alerts on my phone so I can keep track during the day without being glued to the screen. And tools make a huge difference, Tools like Crypto Alert, Tap Trader, CoinStart to notify me if a trade hits a certain point. So I don't have to stare at the screen all day. Every weekend, I dedicate a couple of focused hours on catching up with technical analysis, and checking out new trends. This day during the week, I can use that knowledge without cramming. And for actual trading, I keep my section short and focused. This helps me to stay balanced and avoid burnout because, let's be real, life is more than just chat. And if you are thinking, oh, this all sounds great, but where is the market really heading to? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Crypto market is exploding right now because of the massive shift on how people think about money. Central banks are printing cash like never before, and the global economy is being shaken up. People want more control over their money, and crypto gives you that. So why stick around with crypto long term? Why not cash out and be done with it? Here's the thing. Crypto is here to stay. Think about the growth we have been seeing from Bitcoin's first bull run to Ethereum explosive growth. And now we are seeing even more innovative projects in the market. I'm into the crypto not just for the short-term game, but because it presents a bigger financial shift for the future. And I want to be part of that. And I want you to feel empowered to be part of that as well. This is not just about side hustle. It's about building a future that gives you control and freedom, which is the main reason why we do all we do today. You go to school, you get a job so that you can cater for yourself, so that you can pay bills. But crypto is giving you the opportunity to control your own finance and also to be free. So if you have been here for this long, that means you are very, very serious about balancing your crypto journey with your 9 to 5. You don't have to quit yet because you need that money to invest in crypto. Crypto is not something you just start. Though there are airdrops, you can start with zero capital, but if you want to grow fast, you need to invest. And not just about investing, you also need to learn. Like I said in my previous videos, don't give anybody money to trade for you. Don't give anybody money to invest for you. Yes, you might be following an influencer and he will tell you buy this coin, buy this, buy that. Ask yourself, why am I buying this coin? Don't just buy it because somebody say you should buy a particular coin. What's the reason? You need to understand tokenomics. You need to understand the market. You need to understand the project, the team behind it, their marketing plan. Where are they heading to before getting into the project, before giving them your money? It's just like you're working with an influencer, maybe down the road, and he tells you to go and give somebody your $100. You ask him why should I give this person? But in crypto space, I just found out that most people, they don't ask why. They don't even study. They don't make their own research to find out why are they putting in money here? What's the reason? What is this project trying to solve? So this is where knowledge and learning comes in. You need to learn so that you can be able to do it. Or even if you get a call from an influencer or anybody telling you to buy this coin, make your own research. If it doesn't suit your criteria, you leave the coin. But if it's okay for you, you can now go in, risk whatever you want to risk on it. So guys, let me know in the comment section how you are balancing your job with your crypto journey, or what's your biggest challenge. I would love to hear your own story because we are all in this together, learning and growing together. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join me on this journey. If you're ready to dive in deeper into crypto strategies, tips, and real life hacks, this channel is for you. Let's build a future that is not just about survival, but thriving and growing. We're all gonna make it. See you. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and break that like button for me. Thank you guys, and see you guys next time. Or you can also watch my other videos so that you can learn more about crypto. See you guys next time.